Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2000 Hyundai Excel, stock number 6608. This ran from the 11th 97 to the 9th 2000. Has a G4FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This left front 13-inch factory aluminum tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 13-inch factory aluminum tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 13-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 13-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front door card, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke manual steering wheel, 2-spoke instrument cluster,